Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be updating you. So we bought the car less than 24 hours ago, I believe. I can't keep track of the days anyway. So this is what the car looks like right now. Very first modification to do. Bullet rims. Had to. Already have it on the white one, you know that. So you have to match, you have to have it looking good. Those are the best looking rims for these cars in my opinion. You guys have your opinion, drop in the comments down below what rims you think looks best in the Crown Vics, Grand Marquis, town cars, whatever you got. Any Panther really. Let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll show you guys when it's all done. And we'll continue with the build. I'm not going to do a video how to swap rims. I already did that for the Crown Vic. Just going to get it done. Hopefully get it done before the sun goes down. But anyways guys, catch you guys in the next video.